that website, the
Good morning, my name is Jason Deerdahl. I'm the youth chair with the Dakota Southeast Pheasants Forever chapter out of West Fargo. Today we're having our youth hunt out at Stiklestad near Fort Ransom, North Dakota. We have 20 youth and their parents that came out today for a great day. We're going to separate it out into 3 different areas, including the hunt itself, a 22 range, and then also a trap range. We provide all the shells for the individuals. We provide them hearing and eye protection, as well as a lot of great land to hunt down here. We also have the great folks from the Red River Valley chapter of NAVDA, the North American Versatile Hunting Dog Association, that came down to provide all the dog power for this great event. So we have 9 handlers and right around 13 dogs that really help to provide a wonderful experience for all the individuals that are out there. So hoping for a lot of birds in the bag and a great time had by all. There you go, good shot. Good dog. Good deal.
I should have had that.
Look out! I've never seen that happen ever! That's fire, isn't it? Yep.
Be careful.
No, raise your gun up, gun up in the air.
The head up.
Hey, good boy, Marley.
Oh boy. Loaded in corn. Good job.
Whoa.
Good shot.
Ruger cop.
Sometimes
Oh boy. Job.
So now I have my limit because I have some runners that I shot too.
No, not till you got them in your pouch.
Okay.
You got
Don't have
them. You
it,
can't
yeah.
count in your roosters before they're in your pouch.
Well, I can put 'em-
Take your time, buddy. Take your time. Ready? Get ready, Cole. I know you're done, Logan. Good job. They're drooping a little bit. They're drooping.
That's the limit.
What do you tell your guides, boys?
Thank you.
Look in the middle. Maybe not.
Thank you all for coming again. I'm glad you had a great time.
Good afternoon, Jason Deerdahl once again, Youth Chair for Dakota Southeast Pheasants Forever. Just giving a quick recap of today's activities and how we did. Just had 20 kids today, like we talked about this morning, and they came home with just under 40 birds. So excellent time had by all. Everybody was safe. Everybody took the right shots. Got to see a lot of great dog action. Shot enough 22 shells to fill up a couple buckets, and quite a few trap loads as well. So. Again, thank you to all the sponsors, such as Stiklestad, Applebee's, Hornbachers, Meats by John and Wayne, as well as the Dakota Southeast Pheasants Forever, the Red River NAVDA Group, and everybody else that's contributed to this great event. Hope to see you all next year.